Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to bank account. So let's start this video. So first open Trust Wallet application, write down the password. So currently Trust Wallet doesn't have any option where you can withdraw all of your assets to your bank account. So I will show you an indirect way where you can send your money to your bank account. So on the top just search for the coin which you are looking to withdraw. So in this case I am gonna select USDT, and here you can see the USDT as well as their preferred network. For this video I will select USDT BNB Smart Chain, then click on send. So here on the top you have to write down the wallet address of the USDT BNB Smart Chain. Now for this you have to use a third party exchange. For this video we will use Binance application, but you can use any other wallet or exchange if you want to withdraw. So here I'm gonna use Binance. So after opening the Binance application, click on your wallets on the bottom right, then click on deposit and search for USDT. Click on USDT. As you know, we have selected BNB Smart Chain in Trust Wallet, so we'll select BNB Smart Chain over here too. Now here we got the deposit address of USDT BNB to BNB Smart Chain. Copy this deposit address, paste it over here and write down the USDT amount which you want to send. So you have to click on next and then confirm your transaction. After 1 or 2 minutes you will receive USDT in your Binance application. So once you have USDT in your Binance, then you have to click on wallets on the bottom right and then click on withdraw. Click on withdraw again, then search for USDT. And then over here currently we have two options: send via crypto network and send via email, phone or ID. And we also get the third option, which is send to bank, but currently my country doesn't support bank, so currently I don't have that option. But if you have it, then you can use it. You just have to provide the bank details and then confirm your transaction. But if you don't have bank option, then I will show you another way where you can withdraw your money to your bank account. Now just click on withdraw again, and on the top you have to click on P2P trading. So over here you just select sale because we want to sell our USDT. Then you will see many people who offer the price of USDT, and you just have to find the right person to whom you can sell your USDT. So you can choose any payment method that you want. So let's suppose I want to withdraw all of my USDT to bank transfer. So I will just click on bank transfer, and here we got all the people who currently have bank transfer option. So I will just click on sale and then just enter the amount, and then I have to click on place order. Then we have to give the bank details, and we can easily withdraw money to our bank account. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this